Once upon a time, an old farmer lived in a village. He had a sister and a daughter, but unfortunately, he had also four lazy sons. One day, the farmer was thinking about his sons and he was very upset. His sister saw that and came to him. And he saw his brother was upset.
Hey brother, what are you thinking?
I don't know my sister. After my death, what will happen to my lazy sons?
It is a huge problem. You should do something for them.
What should I do for them?
Okay, I am giving you an idea.
Yes, please tell me the idea. Yes, it is a nice idea. I should apply on them. Thank you for such an idea.
Okay, welcome.
After some time, the farmer called all his sons and told them,
Hey sons, how are you? Please come here. You know, we have many fields for harvesting.
Yes, father, we know that.
Now, I am going to tell you a secret.
Yes, father. What is the secret?
Long time ago, my father dug the whole field up and kept many gold coins there.
Really.
Really, father, what a good news.
Don't get excited. At first, you get to collect some spades and choppers.
Then let's go to the market and buy those.
Let's go.
We have dug the whole field, but there is no gold.
Maybe our father wants to fool us.
Okay, brother, let's bygone be bygone. We should use this field to harvest.
We go to the market and buy paddy seeds.
Yes, we should go this.
after 3 months, all sons and daughter came to field and were spellbound after seeing the field.
Hey daughter, our field is filled with golden paddies.
Wow, what a beautiful sight.
Brother, those are the real gold coins.
Now we should go to market to sell those paddies.
Then we will go to father to give him the surprise. Father, see, we have earned many gold coins.
Gold coins, ha ha ha. Have you understood what the real gold is? Like this, if you do hard work in your life, you will be prosperous and successful in your life.
You are
Yes,
genius, father.
father.
Hey brothers, let's go to the field. We have many work to do.
Yes, let's go.
Thank you, my dear sister. You saved my children.
Thus the farmer's 4 sons became diligent, and farmer was on cloud 9.